Hey, what is going on, y'all? This is Jeff with Geo Rides, and then today it is an absolutely beautiful day to be outside on my 2021 Street Ride Special. And let me tell you what, 2026 is shaping up to be a big year for the channel and hopefully entertainment for you and a big year for you as well. But anyway, I've got a good series of videos coming out here soon, and I've also got travel trips that I'm going to be talking about in this video as well. Before we get started, I'm going to give you some beautiful drone footage of this Yorktown area here in Yorktown, Virginia. And this is the York River right here. I'm going to give you some footage of the tourist area across the way, and then we'll get into the video. Let's go.
Tell you what, there really are some beautiful sights here in southeastern Virginia, man. It's all really just a question of getting out and taking them all in. And this right here, the Coleman Bridge that goes over, I believe this is the Yorktown River. I'm not a geographic person by any means, but anyway, seeing these sights, man, you just really have to appreciate them for what they are and really take them in as you see them. And right across the way there is the Yorktown downtown area, if you will, or tourist area. I'm gonna go ahead and get the drone up in the air, get you some footage, and we'll go from there. As I mentioned in the open, this is an absolutely beautiful area, historic area. This is just what, southeast of historic Williamsburg. I had a video where I took the ferry from basically Suffolk or the Smithfield area over to Williamsburg, and I really enjoyed riding on the ferry. That was the first time I'd ever been on the ferry on my bike. As you can see, it's an absolutely beautiful area here, and I really take for granted living here sometimes, you know. But I'm going to take you down the main area of Yorktown Beach. This actually gets pretty busy during the summertime. I've come down here a couple times, not to get in the water, but just to visit and do some things, and it's been really cool. So I'm going to hop you on over to Yorktown Beach once I get there, and then we'll talk a little bit more about what 2026 has in store. We've already done some really cool things on the channel, and I look forward to doing even more this year once the weather starts to straighten out and, you know, all the events start to happen, whether it be bike nights and stuff like that at your local Harley dealership. Man, get involved with your community. Get involved with the biker community in your neighborhood or in your local area, man. There's nothing like it, especially in the Harley Davidson family, man. I know, you know, this is the only one that I've, you know, really gotten, what's the word, used to or into, but it kind of is what it is. But as you can see right there, historic Yorktown, there's plenty of sights over there for people to see, and we'll go ahead and cruise on downtown. As you can see, it's really busy down here. A lot of people walking around, even some llamas over there. You don't see that every day. You can see the beach area right over there. But as I mentioned in the open, let me get up this hill before I start talking. But as I mentioned in the open, there's a lot of trips coming up this year. I hope you follow me. Next month, I am headed to Ocean City, Maryland for the first time. Basically, it's going to be a scouting trip for my Ocean City Bike Week in September. Hopefully that doesn't conflict with another plan that I have going on, because again, I'm making plans way out in advance, so that way I make sure that I get where I'm going. But the trip to Ocean City in April is going to be for a cruise in. It's a week-long cruise in. I think it's called Ocean City Cruise In. And so I'm going to be going to checking that out, because I've also been doing cars and coffee for the channel. Hopefully you've been checking that out and enjoying that, because in my mind, nothing goes better together than cars, fancy cars, muscle cars, you name it. Nothing goes better with motorcycles than cars. And so that's why I've been doing cars and coffee, to kind of keep myself, busy and active, and also continuing to bring content to you guys that not only you enjoy, but I enjoy, because I really have to enjoy doing this. I have a full-time job. I can't be, I can't do YouTube full-time, and I don't even know if I could, if I would, you know what I'm saying? But I want you to continue to see the sights while I'm talking, and we'll get on to the next stage of the video. But anyway, like I said, I don't know if I would do YouTube full-time, even if I could. It seems like a lot of pressure, a lot of headache, and especially because, I'm still a small channel. I want to get bigger, obviously, but I'm still a small channel, and that is what it is. And I'm grateful for the folks that do watch my videos, because the analytics and stuff like that are just crazy in terms of what they tell you and what you can see. But anyway, y'all don't want to hear about that. But anyway, my point is, I absolutely love making these videos. Sometimes I put a little bit too much into it. Like right now, I've got 3 cameras running at the same time. And the reason why is because I love providing those different angles to you guys, and I love the crap out of tech, man. So one of the video series that I'm going to be doing here soon is going to be a video series about the DJI equipment that I use, and really all of the equipment that I use to bring you these videos. And hopefully if you're an aspiring YouTuber, or you just want to do things with action cameras or whatever, that'll bring something to you to like and to watch. But anyway, I've got a bunch of videos coming out. I've got series of videos coming out, because I just want to be able to tie things together, but also give people an in-depth view of what it is that I'm talking about. So for example, I have a helmet series starting here soon, a Shoei helmet series that should be started right now. I'm going to be dropping one of those videos every week, and so I've made 4 videos total. 3 of them are about the specific helmets, and then I compare all of the helmets together at the end of the series. And so like I said, a lot of video plans, a lot of trip plans and stuff like that too. But additionally, as far as trips go, when I go to Ocean City, Maryland, I'm going to be going to Rommel Harley Davidson. I believe that's how it's pronounced. Rommel, whatever case it be. I'm going to be stopping by there to incorporate that into my video about the trip to Ocean City. Because again, cars and motorcycles, they just go together in my mind. And I'm really trying to run things like that on the channel this year. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this portion of the video, talking about kind of like my plans and my schedule. And we'll go ahead and hop on over to some of the things that we've already done on the channel, and some of the things that I want to do in the future, specifically related to motorcycles, that being the Road Glide Limited, the Street Glide 3 Limited, and then the Street Bob for this year in 2026. So I hope you stick and stay and continue to enjoy these videos, and let's get on to the next part. As I mentioned in the open, it is a beautiful day to be out riding and to be taking in the beautiful nature we got going on out here. I am in Gloucester, Virginia. I just got done with an appointment for a future video. Again, we're trying to do things big in 2026, and I'm trying to venture out, and also trying to get with some local businesses and so on and so forth to put some work together to bring to you guys, not only for them, but for you as well. But anyway, like I said, it is an absolutely beautiful day outside, and I just wanted to shoot a video, kind of moto vlog style, but then also talk about some things that the channel's had going on, and then things that we're going to have going on in the future while you're taking in this beautiful country out here. And so what I do want to talk about is, I've been honored and just grateful for the things that have been going on over the past few months with the channel. I'm almost to 6,000 subscribers, which is huge. I've got me a good routine going down in terms of my video shoots and stuff like that. And then Also, I had the opportunity to test ride one of the specific motorcycles that I'm really interested in, which is the Road Glide Limited. I want you to hop on over and check out that video after you watch this video to see the highlights and the things that I really like about the Road Glide Limited and what's going to ultimately end up in me purchasing one here within the next year or two. And so the Road Glide Limited, let me tell you, it met all of my expectations in terms of how smooth it rides, in terms of it being my future touring bike. So make sure you check out that video to check out more details. I've got 2 videos on the Limiteds that you can check out. But then also, I took a ride on the Street Glide 3 Limited, so the new trike. The new trikes are absolutely amazing in terms of what they offer for folks that are in the trike space. I could definitely see myself, even before I actually have to, buying a trike if I was able to fall into some extra money. You know what I'm saying? But that's not a thing. I'm definitely going to be keeping this Street Glide special, and then I will be getting the Road Glide Limited as well. So as we continue along out here on my country ride, I've already ran into a couple riders already. One guy is a newer rider. He's going to be taking the MSF course here soon and just getting him some practice. So big shout out to him. I forgot his name already. I think his name was Mark. But anyway, big shout out to him, us stopping and talking while I was getting my cameras all set up and everything. But anyway, continuing to talk about how things are going in 2026 and what I'm going to be doing in the future. As you probably already know, I got a chance to ride the CVO Road Glide ST, and let me tell you, man, that was awesome. Big shout out to formerly Hampton Roads Harley Davidson and me riding that motorcycle and really feeling what a performance bagger is all about with that CVO Road Glide ST. So make sure you check out that video as well. And then I've got another video coming up. After I did the Road Glide Limited video, I did a street bob. I rode a street bob for the first time. And let me tell you, I can understand why people love that bike. So make sure you stay tuned and check that video out as well. But, you know, I'm just going to take some more time to ride and cruise here and let you check out this countryside. And then we're going to get on with the rest of the video. So I'm back with you, and let me tell you, one of the other things that I got going on, March 22nd, this video should be out, I believe, on Thursday the 18th or something like that. But anyway, on March 22nd, I'm going to be doing a ride for Stop Soldier Suicide. It's an organization that they're doing a fundraiser this March where you ride 400 miles. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the 400 miles in one day by riding from where I live in Hampton to Washington, D.C. The ride alone is 179 miles. And so I'm going to be adding more miles because I'm going to be doing a group ride from the National Museum of the Marine Corps. I'm going to be doing a group ride from the National Museum of the Marine Corps up to the Air Force Memorial, and then going to Ben's Chili Bowl, which was one of my favorite restaurants in Washington, D.C. to visit. You say, a hot dog? What? Man, you don't even know. Ben's Chili Bowl is the heat, man. I absolutely love it. And I think they have what they call the half smokes, if I remember correctly. But anyway, I hope you join me on that. Right now, I think there's about, I don't know, about 40 or so folks interested on Facebook. So I want to thank all those folks. I also want to thank the folks that did donations to Stop Soldier Suicide. And so I was able to meet my goal this year. This is the first year that I did it. And I was able to meet my goal of $250 thanks to a lot of my friends on Facebook. I really want to thank them. Either one of my friends' mothers actually donated. So that was really cool on her part. But anyway, I will put the link to that donation down in the right here on the screen, so that way you can go to it, and it'll also be in the description. And I'm going to do a follow-up video on that Stop Soldier Suicide ride, so that way I can, you know, show, hey, your donation didn't go to nothing, you know what I mean, and also to support the cause and so on and so forth. But I've always driven past the National Museum for the Marine Corps and saw that beautiful building sticking out. Representative of that famous photo that we all saw with the Marines holding the U.S. flag and so on and so forth. That is an absolutely beautiful structure, and I will get some drone footage of that as well. You know, I'm trying to be obviously trying to be myself in terms of the videos that I shoot, but also trying to bring quality to you as well, so that way you want to watch and enjoy my videos. I'd like to think that my channel is different than others, but who knows. But anyway, the point is, I'm going to be doing that Stop Soldier Suicide ride, and I can't wait for it. I'm hoping even if 5 people show up for the group ride, that's more that'll participate in this particular cause than any other event that I've ever been around in terms of Stop Suicide and so on and so forth. And I will share a little bit of why Stop Suicide is important in my life, and what's that, you know, the kind of the impact and how I had to deal with certain things and so on and so forth. But anyway, again, the channel is growing. The amount of interaction with the channel is amazing, and I've got a lot of ideas this year for 2026 that I'm going to be chasing in order to make sure that the channel grows and I can also enjoy myself in terms of motorcycle riding and so on and so forth. But anyway, I want to thank you for watching this video till the end. I want you to like, share, and subscribe, and remember to always ride as if your life depends on it. Peace and be blessed.